To our barangay Kanduman Council Representative, Mama Juliet Toling, our CES Alumni Association President, Sir Nelson Borbaco, our General PTA officers, led by Ma'am Jennifer Borbaco, Dr. Ahmad J. Bardoquillo, our school principal, Sir Nisiporo A. Olivar, our assistant school head, our stakeholders from Cebuana Lumiere, my fellow teachers, parents, learners, good morning. In wrapping up our Brigada Estrella 2026 activities, it is my sincerest hope to thank all our stakeholders, the parents, the volunteers, barangay officials, alumni, the teachers, and community members who have so magnanimously contributed to their effort, time, and resources for our school's preparation for the opening of classes. Sa paaralan, pagkakaisa para sa kalusan at kaalaman serves to remind us that indeed, education is everyone's concern. And by being one, we can achieve our goal of providing a safer, cleaner, and conducive learning environment for our children.
Hawak kamay, di kita iiwan. Nindot kayo ang ilang intermission number nga ilang gi-present sa closing ceremony sa Kanduman Elementary School. June 5 pag Friday closing ceremony, sa Monday June 8 back to school na. So kung ikaw parents nga nagtanawan yung video, Kanduman Elementary School for me is really a good school. So nindot jud kaayo ang opportunity nga gihatag sa amuha nga ang akong anak nga si Cheska naka-school diri sa Kanduman Elementary School sa grade 6 love. So karon grade 6 na siya, 1 year na lang mo graduate na siya ng school. So tanawa feel kaayo sa mga teachers ug mga parents ang energy sa pagkanta ni Ma'am Jessa Custodio and SELG officers. Nga backup dancer nga makita nimo sa atubangan. By the way, na diha ang akohang anak nga si Cheska anang naka white ug tapad niya si Athena ug ang uban niya nga mga officers.
to Kanduman Elementary School. Mabuhay ang Kanduman Elementary School. Good morning and God bless everyone.